Welcome to autobotsrock.com. Today we are so pleased to introduce you QnitubeAction software, which can support you in increasing views, likes, comments, subscribers for your videos on YouTube automatically. In this video, we will show you instructions on how to increase likes for YouTube video automatically with our QnitubeAction software. After installing the software, you log in with provided username and password, and you will see the interface here. There are several basic settings you need to set up before running any function, so please refer to the video of YouTube viewbot tutorial how to increase YouTube views with our software from the second 48 to the minute 10:16. I will post link of this video in the description box. After finishing our basic setting, now you move to the view video section. Select yes at this session, and also at like video session you select yes. The software will watch the video and then like this video. At view method session, there are 6 view methods here. In this video, we will select direct at this view method session. Move to the list video session. You will create a text file to save links of videos that you want to run. For example, this is the video that I want to run like for this. You can see the number of like here is 55. So now we will copy this link, paste it into this file. Then you can add more videos here. Each video will enter in per line. Then click to save and click video session. Click on this icon, select the list video text file, then click OK to run. You can click on show browser to see how the software watch and then like your video. Now back to the video on YouTube. Then you can see the increase of like here. The number of like here is 66. These demonstrated above are instructions on how to increase likes for your YouTube video automatically with our QnitubeAction software. You can visit Dcom to see more useful software. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.